Welcome, dear viewers and followers, to a new video with wild boar hunting. From the petite pygmy hog to the immense Eurasian wild pig, swine are fascinating animals. Each species has its own distinctive look, behavior, and geographic region, but shares many traits: strength, resourcefulness, and intelligence. All swine have that familiar piggy look. Small eyes, expressive ears, and a squared-off snout for digging. But let's skip to the end, the back end, that is. If a porcine individual's tail is curly, then he or she is domesticated. Wild pigs have straight tails. Domestic pigs often get much larger than their wild counterparts. A few have weighed more than 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms. Males are always much larger than the females and have larger, more prominent tusks. While humans hunt swine for food, natural predators include large cats, hyenas, and even pythons. The pig's primary defense is speed, but when cornered, they can behave quite fiercely. Their lower tusks, which can get to be about 3 inches, 7 centimeters long, are razor sharp and make excellent weapons. Red river hogs can even swim underwater to escape from leopards. Catching a breath every 15 seconds or so, hog is found in Africa. It is named for its reddish-brown fur and the fact that it often wades through water. These pigs are active during both day and night, and are good swimmers. It's interesting to note that while many pigs are becoming scarce as a result of people moving into their habitat, these changes actually help red river hogs. As farming spreads, the farms provide good grazing for the hogs and lessen the leopard population. Chances are that when you heard the word pig in the past, you pictured the pink domestic barnyard variety. Perhaps now you'll think of the wonderful variety of swine in the world, ready to root in the dirt or battle an opponent. There's just no such thing as a plain pig to live in a variety of climates and habitats. Red river hogs and babirussas live in rainforests. Bush pigs and forest hogs live in forests. And warthogs are at home in the savanna. All make good use of mud wallows to cool off and to protect their skin from parasites and insect bites. They are generally crepuscular or nocturnal, resting during the day in burrows or hollows they make in stands of tall grass or leaf litter. Pigs and hogs are omnivores. Their varied diet can include small reptiles, mammals, and carrion, along with grasses, water plants, and fruit. A good part of each day is spent foraging. All pigs use that tough snout to root in the soil for food items such as leaves, roots, bulbs, insects, and earthworms. An acute sense of smell allows swine to detect an edible root or tuber 10 inches, 25 centimeters, below the soil. Because of this behavior, wild swine have become infamous for rooting through and destroying large portions of farmers' crops. Wild boars are generally social. They live in tight-knit groups called sables, which consist of adult females and their young, along with an adult male. Young pigs may form bachelor herds until they are old enough to mate. Wild boars are generally solitary, but sows will stay with sables unless they are raising young. Sables can have many generations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Professional Hunting channel and activate the bell button to receive all that is new.